Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today we'll be unboxing a new package I got. It's a video kit maker. It's a video kit maker. So let's unbox it, guys. Join me, let's unbox it. So there's it, the video kit maker. So there's it, guys. It comes with a microphone, a holder for your phone, LED light, a remote, and a handle, and I think a cord as well. Yeah, there's the cord. So there's it. So guys, let's fix all the components together. This is the tripod. Yeah, the standard tripod stand. So it opens up this way if you want to put it down. So it opens up this way, and you can rotate the head by pressing the two buttons here and here. You can rotate it. Yeah. Then next we fix this on top. So fix it here. So guys, this is what you get after fixing the holder, the phone holder to it. This is what you get. Then next you fix your lights, your LED lights. Yeah, there's it. The LED light requires batteries. Yeah, so I've fixed batteries in mine. So you need batteries for the LED lights to work. Then next you fix it on top of the phone holder. So guys, here's the setup done with the microphone inserted, the LED light, and my phone for recording, and the tripod stand. With the microphone, you can choose to put it anywhere you like. It has 3 sides. You can put it on the side here, or you can put it on the other side here as well. So it all depends on where you want to put it. Then you put it there. And with the LED lights, like I said, there are 3 buttons behind it which you can use to turn on, increase the lighting, and also decrease the lighting. This for increasing, and the other one is for decreasing, to your perfection. So here is the remote for controlling your camera. So with the remote, it comes here. It comes with a battery in it. Yeah, it comes with a battery in it. So all you